What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Chop. For today's video, we're gonna make bruschetta, a very simple and wonderful appetizer. So let's get right to it. Alright, so let's start with the ingredients for the bruschetta. You're gonna need 2 loaves of baguette bread, 5 red tomatoes, fresh parsley, 1 white onion, 3 cloves of garlic, some extra olive oil, and some balsamic vinegar. Let's put this together and let's see what we get. We'll start with the tomatoes first. What you want to do is you want to slice off the edge of the tomato, and then you want to cut them into cubes, about an inch, half an inch thick. Just like that. And then straight into a large bowl, or a medium-sized bowl. Alright, so now that we're done with the tomatoes, we got them nice cut up and they're in nice cubes. We're gonna throw in the onion, the white onion. We're gonna throw in the 3 cloves of garlic. You're gonna throw in your parsley. We'll give that a nice little mixture right now. Mix that nicely so it's nice and combined. Alright, now we'll do a drizzle of olive oil, and then you're going to do a shot of balsamic vinegar. And you're going to mix this up till it's nicely and combined. Oh, that smells so good, that balsamic vinegar. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to cut our baguette. What you're going to do is you're going to cut it on the side. You want to cut it to about half an inch. Just like that. So you're going to cut it from the side and about half an inch. Just like that. And once you're done, just put it on a little tray. Like that. Once you're done with that, once you're done cutting it, we're just going to brush some olive oil on it. Just like that. Get that nice crisp. Just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit. And then you want these bad boys to cook to about 10 minutes or until you get that nice gold crisp. Alright, so there's your baguette. It's nice and crisp, got that nice gold crisp on it. Now we're going to add the bruschetta. Just like this. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's your bruschetta. It looks wonderful. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also go check out my Facebook page at Cooking House of Pitacariu. I'll have the links down below. So we'll see you guys next time right here on Chop.